This is Jen from Newton's Nook Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make a duo of quick and easy birthday cards using our brand new birthday party paper pad. Now here's the cards that I had made for our release. So we're going to do something very similar to this, but because the paper has so many different patterns, ours may look a little bit different. So we're going to start out by using the birthday party paper pad. Here is the birthday party paper pad. This one is jam-packed with fun birthday themes. We've got balloons, candles, cupcakes, confetti, birthday hats, gifts, all kinds of fun stuff. And of course it's double-sided, so don't forget that there's fun patterns on the back too. So pick out your favorite patterns from that. And let's see, we're going to work on this card first. So what we need to do is cut out our white frame, and that I'm going to use our Frames and Flags die set, and I'm going to use this largest scallop on a piece of white cardstock to make the frame. Next, I cut a piece of cardstock that is 4 3/4 by 3 1/2, and that will fit right inside that stitch line on that Frames and Flags border. And then I have a bunch of patterns that I'm going to place inside that. And these are 3/4 inches wide by about 3 1/4 inches tall. And we'll just center those within our yellow area. So I had to do a little figuring and measuring to get that measurement of what they should be. But you can just copy it now that I have figured that out. It's not exactly perfect, but it's pretty close. So you just want to do your best. I'm just kind of eyeballing it here and centering those images. I'm putting the two confetti a little bit apart. I guess this one is more like sprinkles that you would find on a cupcake. Like that. So that is a fun way to use all the patterns. Then I took our birthday oval stamp set. Now this one has a lot of fun sentiments. We've got hip hip hooray, happy birthday to you, birthday wishes, time to celebrate. And what I did was cut a circle out using our circle frames die set. And I did the happy birthday to you embossed in white on it. So I'm going to actually put that there, but first I'm going to add some twine. So this is just some basic solid orange twine. I'm going to wrap it around twice and then just tie a bow on the one side like so. And then this one, I'm going to put a couple dimensionals on it so that can have a little bit of raised effect, like that. Now we can glue that whole panel onto the white scalloped edge. So you can see this is a very quick and easy birthday card to make once you have the measurements figured out. It goes together really fast. Alright, so then we'll just line that up in there. And I didn't get those perfectly centered, but I don't think the recipient will mind. And then I always like to take a scissor and cut off any excess string so that my bow looks nice. And then on this one, I'm going to use a lime green card base. So again, we'll just glue that down, like so, onto our card base. And that is all there is to that card. Super fun, super festive, great for birthday. So you can see, here was my original one, and here's the one I just made. So they're very similar, but just a little bit different because of the papers, and then I used a different color for the circle. Okay, now our second card is going to be similar to this one, and we're going to make a little birthday gift using the papers. So this time I chose 4 papers, and these ones are 2.5 inches tall, and again 3/4 inch wide. And I just have a piece of paper here, and I'm going to glue them onto that. I'm going to flip them over the side that I want showing, put glue on the back. And then I'm just going to line them up starting in the corner. Now you could have pre-measured this, but I find I'm bad at lining things up sometimes. So this is easier for me to start with a square corner. And I think I'll do the confetti in the middle. Or I guess the sprinkles is what I said that is. Like so. And then I just take a scissor and cut off the excess. And this is going to be our birthday gift. Okay. Now we just need to add some ribbon to our gift. So I have a couple pieces of twine here. And I'm going to add some adhesive on the back. And then I will just start there and wrap it around twice that direction. And then the other piece I'll wrap around twice the other direction. Just like a pretty gift. And I cut my twine a little bit too long, so we'll just trim off the excess. Like so. And then I have a bow to put on the top. And I'm just going to add a little bit of liquid glue to hold my bow in place. Now you could have tied this on as well, but I'm not very talented at getting that to look right, so sometimes I prefer just to use some glue and put it where I want it. Okay. Again, let's cut off that extra tail. So now we have a cute little birthday gift. So for this card, again, I'm going to use that Frames and Flags die set, but this time I'm going to use the second die, which is a rounded rectangle. And I'm going to cut a piece of yellow using that, and I will be right back with that. Okay, I have my die cut rounded rectangle panel. Yeah, the Frames and Flags die set is one I definitely reach to a lot. Okay, next we're going to use some of our giant roll of tape here and make a few tapes, swatches to put on the back. And give this some nice dimension. Actually, I think we'll get by with 2. It depends. If you're mailing it, sometimes you might want to add a bit extra so that it doesn't get squished in the mail and look funny when it arrives, but in this case, I think I'm just going to stick with the 2. And then I also have Happy Birthday, and again, that was from the same birthday oval stamp set. This one's got some really great sentiments for birthdays on it, and I just used that one with black ink. And this banner is actually from our A7 Frames and Banners die set, which has a couple of nice banners included that are perfect for holding sentiments. So we're going to add that on there. Isn't that cute? And then all we need to do is I picked a confetti pattern. So I'm going to use the side with the confetti, and I cut that to just be a 1/4 inch smaller than my card base. So I'm going to add that on here. Like that. And then I will glue this next. So again, this is another super quick and easy birthday card. So you could take the paper pad, make a bunch of these using different patterns, and then you'd have a whole bunch of birthday cards in your stash. Oops, and my glue wasn't quite dry. What I was saying is I might cut that just a little shorter. There we go. Super cute. So there you have it. Here's the original one I created using red twine and the dotted pattern, and then this one using green twine and the confetti pattern. So you can see how just changing up the paper, you can make a whole bunch of cards, and then the two using this layout are again very similar, slightly different. You could use the whole paper pad, make a bunch of birthday cards, and then you'd have birthday cards ready to go when you need them. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. I enjoyed sharing these projects with you, and thank you so much for watching. You can find these new birthday sets in our shop, newtonsnookdesigns.com, and they will be under the birthday category. And also don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can get notifications when we have new videos up on our channel. We appreciate you. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.